Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Welcome to Marshall Skoda Nottingham. Thank you for your inquiry on this Octavia estate. I'm just going to show you around. For the side vehicle is an SE technology. It's a 1.5, 150 brake horse. Really lovely condition. Huge boot space as well. I'll just take you in there just to show you that. The strength of the Octavia is the boot size as well, and there's a full spare wheel in there. Sorry for the pictures blurring. Lovely side profile. Just going to take you into the rear to look at those rear seats. Interior is really clean, free from any odours. Just to confirm the mileage there. 7699. The vehicle is fitted with the nav as aforementioned, dual climate control as well. So all in all, really lovely vehicle. Thanks again for your inquiry. You can reach the sale team on 0115 9202 355. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.